Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. So what you're going to see in this part two of my the return of the Tuareg is a couple things. One, audio for some reason was a little muffled. I kind of repositioned my mic inside my helmet, and I think that's kind of what caused that. So hopefully I'll correct that going forward. But and then I also, for some reason, lost footage of me actually being on the highway on a much nicer day. So, but what you're going to see here is out on the Soul, which is a Southern Ohio adventure loop, and just riding around with a good friend of mine, John. I think you might have saw him. He helped do one of the MOTO's tires reviews earlier, or last year, since it's already 2025. But you're going to see the Tuareg, and so you're going to see a little bit of that and talk a little bit about the bike. So enjoy. Around here with John today. It is cold, folks. It's well, it's upper 40s, but cold and damp. But we're going to take a ride. Got the Tuareg out today, so we'll see what this is all. Maybe try to get a little bit of gravel road. Just get its sea legs going a little bit. Just a nice, easy ride today. Nothing crazy. It's a good day just to get the, like I said, get the bike out, get its legs stretched a little bit, and get a feel for it. Yeah, I remember when I had this bike the first time, what I really liked about it was it really, that grunt, third gear, fourth gear, really punchy in third and fourth. First and second, just got to get it up into get a little bit revs going, but it's all good. You guys can kind of hear that, hopefully. Boy, light and nimble. Yeah, this is I forgot how much I liked the first one that I had, and now I'm happy I've got another one. What's even better is we're getting an Aprilia dealer in Cincinnati, which is cool, because now I don't have to go 150 miles or more to get any service or anything done to it. So that will be awesome. So much different than shifting in the GS. Like on something like this, I would probably be in, I don't know, third gear, fourth gear on my GS. Fourth gear on this one. You can feel this thing wanting to slide. So this part coming up, it's a little bit of, well, normally it's an expert section. I didn't get very far on it, as you guys will see, because it's sunk straight into the mud. But it's just kind of comical because, again, this is where if you saw in the first part one of the return of the Tuareg, I didn't put it in the right mode. ABS, traction control weren't off. Anyway, it was a mess. Turned around, full of mud, but you guys will enjoy that one. So here we go. No, I'll go up there.
All right, I'll wait here for you.
All right. All right. Oh.
Well, that's not good. All right, I got out of that. I'll turn it around. Holy shit, it is muddy as all get out, isn't it? Yep, I got you. That's learning how to get out of mud. Hey, I think we'll just stay on the regular sole. Holy cow. I'll still be slipping sliding on the... How caked up is it?
You broke it in.
All right. Oh, its camera's going. She's not clean anymore. No sooner I got up there, I felt her just go right down into the ground. What?
You consider that like a dual sport?
For me, I do, but I know it's really not. 660, but it's built to be more of an adventure bike than it is a true dual sport. Hey, it's adventure riding. That's what we're doing here. Oh yeah, you can feel the mud flipping and flopping. Alright, I think we're good now. Yeah.
All right, last but not least, some water crossings. And if you guys don't know me or haven't been around, I love my water crossings. So I'm hoping that you guys enjoy this one, but this is going to be, you guys are going to see some water crossings, especially the first one where my tires are all caked full of mud, but and then just a fun time because John ends up, let's just say you'll see at the end there. So enjoy.
One of our water crossings here. That definitely got the mud off the tires. At first, when she first went in there, I thought she was a little squirrely. Alright, what do we got over here? This is the second water crossing, right? Nicely done, John. Do we ride down and take a look or no?
I'm not worried about that. I'm just worried about this.
That I'm not worried about. I'm worried about that. I think that's going to be way too deep. All right, stay here. I think you can do it, but you're gonna have to stay up on that ridge up over there and just keep moving. Can't do it through here, it's way too deep. Oh yeah, she's a little muddy now. It's passable when you're looking at it.
Yeah.
You know where the creek runs down into it?
Yeah.
You got to stay right on that line on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
It's passable. The middle's a little deep, but if you get a good, just keep steady on it and you'll blow right through it. but that's up to you if you don't want to do it. You want me to go? You go take a walk down there? Woohoo! Now she's breaking in. And then now she's breaking in.
Yeah, that looked good, man.
Are you doing it or no? And I captured it all on camera where you said, no, I'm not doing it.
I'm alright with it. I don't want to look that hard.
Still didn't get all the mud off that I put on it when I got stuck. But we're in good shape.
All right, so I think as you guys saw throughout this piece, really excited to have the 660 back in the house. It's a fun bike, it really is. I can't wait to put some more miles on it and really put it through its paces versus what I did before. One annoying thing, I don't know if I talked about that in part one. One annoying thing would be after a couple of years of the bike still being out, it does not have, you know, so when you give the turn signals, you still got to click it to turn it off after you make the turn. So I guess first world problems. I guess I'm so used to my GSs that when you turn, you know, it automatically turns the turn signal off. So that's still a little bit of a kind of a head scratcher in my opinion. But fun bike, very comfortable, no issues. And you could tell I'm really liking it. And I'm really looking forward to riding it. So hopefully you enjoyed this two-part piece. Again, if you didn't see part one, check out part one. That gives you kind of all the details around the bike and what I did to it. This part was really just me getting it out and stretching its legs and having some fun on the bike and getting ready for this new year. So thanks a lot, everybody, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.